Truck 5 is approaching the receiving bay. Vitals look good. Confirmed. Initiating automated gate sequence now.
Steady now, easy does it. He's almost at the holding pen. Opening the gate now. Keep moving, nice and steady.
Confirmed, all clear on the manifest.
The consumption data is tracking perfectly with the flow rate projections. All right, the system integrity is confirmed.
Target temperature reached, systems are stable.
Confirmed. Proceeding to the next stage.
The viscosity is stable and the temperature holds at 120 Celsius.
Parameters confirmed. Proceed to the next stage.
The agitator is engaging now. Look at that vortex. Perfect consistency. The batch is looking good.
The weight is exactly 15.2 kilograms.
Verified against the formula. I'll sign off on batch 3.
The mixture is looking uniform now.
Data confirms the base formation.
The assay results confirm 99% purity.
Very good. Finalize the documentation and release the batch.
The consistency looks perfect on this batch.
Yes, the color uniformity is spot on with the standard.
All quality checks are complete, Supervisor. Data is confirmed.
Looks good. Let's move this to the production phase. All production standards met, Supervisor. Perfect. Let's get this approved for release. Temperature holding steady at 45. Good. Let's maintain the flow rate. Safety checks completed successfully. All systems green. All right, approved for production. Go ahead and start the machines.
The consistency is perfect on these bars.
Yes, the calibration update seems to have stabilized the output across the line. The quality on this batch is excellent. Well done. Keep up the good work on the inspection. The quality on this batch is excellent. Well done. Keep up the good work on the inspection. Dimensions are within tolerance, and the branding is crisp.
Very good. The texture looks perfect. Batch approved for packaging. Pallet 5 Charlie. Stability confirmed. Inventory updated successfully.
We need to prioritize the kojic acid pallets for the afternoon shipment shown here.
All right, moving them now.
Bill of lading matches the count, John. Everything seems correct here.
Production metrics are excellent for this batch. We kept the reject rate under 0.5%. All right, everything is verified on the manifest. You are cleared for departure.
Thank you. We will see you next week.